Welcome to DennisTechTips. On this video, I'm going to show you how to convert image to text using your mobile phone. This will work on both iPhone and Android phone. To be able to convert image to text, you are going to download an app on your phone. If you are using an iPhone, head over to your App Store. But if you are using an Android phone, go to your Play Store. On the search for Microsoft Office. And you'll find the Microsoft Office app as the best match. Click on it and hit on the install button. But if you have the app on your phone before, just click on the open button to launch. After installing the app, open it. When you open it, you see an interface like this. At the bottom, we have 3 buttons. You are going to hit on the one labeled Actions. Within the Actions menu, you see the different things you can do with this app. You can sign a PDF, scan to PDF, save picture as PDF, convert the documents to PDF, convert PDF to a Word document, and down here you can convert image to text and image to table. I'm going to concentrate on converting an image to text, so I'm going to hit on the image to text button. When you click on the image to text button, it will open your camera, and down here if you have a picture of the image you want to convert, you can go ahead and select it, or you can hit on this button right here to open your media gallery. But if you have the documents with you, you can point your camera to it and take a shot of it by hitting on this button down here. After taking the shot, if you are not satisfied with the shot, you can take another one after hitting on this retake button. At the top, you can choose what language you want the text to be translated. You have different languages right here you can choose from, but I'm going to leave the default language right here, which is English. When I'm all set, I can then hit on the continue button, and then the extraction is going to start. Give it a few seconds to complete, and when it's done, right here you have your extracted text. You can now copy it to your clipboard, or you can share it to wherever you want. Or if you want to save it as a Word document, you can go back to the home screen, click on this huge plus button at the middle, and then create a new Microsoft document. Hit on blank document, and here you have a brand new document. And right here you can paste the extracted text you just copied to your clipboard. To save it, click on these 3 dots, select Save As. Down here give it a file name. I'm going to name this DennisTechTips. Select the location where you want to save it. I'm going to click on this device, Documents, and then click on the Save button. And here I have my newly saved documents. When you go back to the Actions menu, after the Image to Text button, you have the Image to Table button. If you have a tabular document, you can use this button to extract the data and save it as an Excel document. After the extraction, you can share and copy the data. Go back to the home screen, hit on the plus button, and then create an Excel document. Save it, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and turn on post notifications. Thank you, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.